Now let us look at some of the apps which are actually giving me the extensions that I can include within Word. So I have some extensions. So say for example, we are talking about prowriting8.com. Now this is again a spelling and grammar checking app which is giving me the option wherein I can improve my quality and clarity of my written content. Apart from that, we have quillbot.com, which is again a paraphrasing tool which again gives me an extension within my Word and understands that when I want to add a paraphrased content without actually changing the meaning of the content, then it is actually a good thing for me. So say for example, I want to make it more empathic, I can even do that. Apart from that, we have Learnative, which is again an app which brings along with other types of innovative solutions wherein I want to style my content based on the educational value. So, say for example, if I want to ensure that I am explaining my concept in a better manner to younger audience, then I can even change my data or change my content to suit their needs. Apart from that, we have airgram.io. So airgram.io is basically a part wherein I can generate some meeting transcripts. It makes use of GPT-4 and it tries to bring what was discussed in the meeting. It is going to even give me the transcript of what was discussed through key insights and action items. We also have copysmith.ai, which is actually an app which gives me a trial. It's just based on trial basis and it helps me create some copywriting material. So it helps me with marketing tools, it helps me with some ad based headlines and some copywriting about product descriptions with SKU units and all this stuff. So considering that if I want to make it presentable on the social media, I can make use of copysmith.ai. Now, these are some of the tools out of the plethora of different AI tools that are present on the internet with word extensions.